Tanin Auto Electronics here, and today we're working on a 2010 Dodge Charger, but this removal applies to any 2005 till 2010 vehicle. There are three common issues with these clusters. First, many times your backlighting will flicker or stop working. Second of all, jerky gauge movement or gauges that don't read correctly may happen. And thirdly, the two displays will start to go dim or go black completely. And in this video, I will show you how to remove the cluster so you can send it to us for repair. All the tools needed is just one long Phillips screwdriver like this one. To start the removal process, all you need to do is pull down on this panel right here to expose two screws. One here, and then the other one on the other side right here. I already removed them, so we can start on the next process. From here, you're going to have to remove this whole panel or bezel in order to expose the instrument cluster. All you have to do is pull it straight out, like this. And then it will just come straight out. And from here, all you need to do is remove 4 Phillips screws. They're going to be 2, one there, and one over there, and then 2 on each side, which is all the way down there, and then all the way down there. And from here, all you have to do is pull the cluster from the bottom, and then just slide it straight out. And at this step, you're almost done. All you have to do to release these 3 connectors is push down on each of the tabs and then pull out like this. That's 1. That's 2. Oh, and the last one. So just come on. And this is your cluster. After this, you're all done. All you have to do is go to our website, which is taninautoelectronics.com, and download our work order form, fill it out, and include it with your cluster and send it in. Thank you so much for watching.